Hello guys, so if you're looking to send someone money from your Venmo account balance, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So firstly, open Venmo, then click on the pencil icon at the top right corner, then enter the name of the person that you want to send. So enter the name, username, phone number, email. So add that person however you want to add them. So after adding that person, just simply enter the amount and the reason why you are sending him the money. So after doing all of that, click on private, and over there you can set who can see the transaction. It may be public, friend, or by default private. So choose whichever you want. Then just simply click on pay. Then over there you will find the option to either choose your bank account or your Venmo balance. So choose Venmo balance, then hit pay, and after that the payment will be done from your Venmo balance. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.